summarize, the true and enduring motive for space exploration and habitation is the value of the enterprise in itself. It is the adamantine law of the cosmos that we become space to. My personal view is that behind this necessity there's a teleological imperative. As stewards of the Creator, it is our sacred duty to spread light and consciousness throughout the universe. Understanding and accepting this imperative will be the most difficult challenge, because a true change of heart is required. I maintain that the basic technologies for human habitation of the solar system actually exist now and wait only for the will to muster, perfect, and harness them. And I am certain that our journey to the stars will be ennobling. Humankind can make a fresh start and give new birth to human dignity. A great journey is a purification. One must choose what to take and what to leave behind. The necessities of life in new worlds will impel us to leave behind many things we can do. In the spacefaring community, all must be valued. All must contribute, and the essential attributes for success will be courage, integrity, and intellect. And the best of our young people welcome the challenge. They yearn to devote themselves to something clean and hopeful, to do great meaningful work and to be valued for it. Indeed, this gathering is largely the work of my present and former students. We must strive to give them a future by breaking the barriers to the birth of a spacefaring civilization. Now, the symposium is divided into 3 sessions. First, the creation of a society devoted to cosmic exploration and habitation begins with proper education, especially through the undergraduate years. Not the education that's not the fabrication of certificates of competence, but the maturation of real competence. We must reunite theory and practice. We must revive the prestige of intellectual rigor. Let us explore in the first session, then, the educational needs of a spacefaring civilization. An all too familiar barrier is the lack of free and open international collaboration. In the second session, we ask if a truly pan-human collaboration can overcome national institutional barriers. Finally, despite decades of spaceflight, no human has ever traveled in interplanetary space. In the third session, let us explore the enormous technical challenges that remain and consider the deep implications of the habitation paradigm. Now, new institutions created by young people from many places on our little blue dot are what are needed if we are ever to inhabit the solar system. Appropriately, this meeting closes with the inauguration of the Scientific Preparatory Academy for Cosmic Explorers, established here on the Isle of Man by an international group of students and colleagues. In the coming years, let the arc of the future turn at this place, making the space isle, the Isle of Man, the Isle of Mankind.